Hi there everybody, today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the brake pads and discs on a Toyota Yaris. This is a 2005 and I'm going to start by removing the brake fluid cap here. Just take it off, and then you need to jack up the car and get it on axle stands. Today I was lucky enough to have a ramp free, so I'm going to be using the ramp, and I'm going to be removing the front wheels, which is the side of the car that I'm actually doing. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the wheel. So first you need to remove these bolts here. And those bolts are 13 mil. So go ahead and remove those. Here. And one there. As you can see, this speed needs to be, because it's turning, so it needs to be, I need to hold it. It will be the same at the top. You just need to hold this. Okay, with a 17 mil spanner, I'm going to hold that nut there and undo the bolt. And I'll do the same for the top bit. There we are. That was quite tight in there. Now with a screwdriver, I'm just going to push the pads using the disc as a leverage. That way I'm pushing the piston back on the caliper. So now I'll get the screwdriver in between the pad and the disc, and I can then push the piston back. Okay. Now I can remove the caliper, and I'm just gonna hold it up there. Now these pads are not too bad, but they've been here for a long time. Car's not been used at all, and the discs have corroded, which is the reason why I'm changing them. Now to remove the disc, we need to remove these bolts here, 1 and 2. They hold this frame here, which holds the caliper. So for that I'm gonna use a big bar, and they are a little bit corroded. So I got my socket, it's a 17mm, and a big bar. There we are. Now the disc. So the disc has been there for a really long time, so I'm gonna have to heat it with a hammer just on the side here, and I put a couple of the wheel nuts just to make sure it doesn't fly off. And that's the disc off. So that's the new disc. Just make sure they are the same size. I've already checked, and sometimes these come with a bit of oil on the side, so just clean it off. Okay, so before fitting the new disc, I'm just gonna wire brush the area a little bit here. Just make sure it's clean, and then I'll apply some copper grease. Okay, got the new disc in. Now I'm just gonna use the wire brush to clean the caliper a little bit, and also clean this part before I refit them. As you can see, I applied some copper grease in there. Okay, so now I've refitted this part, which holds the caliper and the pads in. Just need to tighten the bolts. That one and that one, 17mm. So I'll get this nice and tight. I'm going to be using the big bar for that. And that should be fine. Now I got sent the wrong pads, as you can see. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit the old pads just to show you how you would refit the new ones in. While I wait for the new ones, for the replacement for this to come. So basically, once you got this in, and you have your new pads, okay, so you would put your new pad in there, in this little slots here, and then just push it in onto the disc, and same with the other pad. You get it on the slot there, on the top slot, and it's just a matter of there we are. And notice this pad has got a slot, and make sure you refit the pads as you took them out. This side of the pad has got an extra lip here. Okay, now we just need to place a caliper in there. And get the bolts in. 13mm bolts go in there. Again, to tie them up, you will need to hold the inner and so just tighten this, and basically just press the brake pedal in a few times before you drive, and that should be it. You should be done. And remember to close the brake fluid reservoir, and that's it. That's how you would replace the discs and pads on a Toyota Yaris. Well, hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.